Hello and welcome to Caching Waves. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update on Bitcoin. First of all, this is what we went over yesterday. Just giving a quick 10-second overview. Looking for this to come up higher. I'd like to see close to the 50 to open the short. And once we're there, all I would be looking for is stop at the high and targeting the 21,500 area, which should be a pretty nice little risk reward. All right, so here we are, pretty close to the area we were expecting. Excuse me. As you can see, we tagged the 382. I got a little piece there. The way I enter is I take the 382 and the 50, and if we come a little higher, I'll take a bit at the 618, try and get an average price of the 50% retracement of this wave down here. So it doesn't appear like we're quite ready to break down. Getting a nice sideways consolidation here down at the hourly. So my expectation is this is making A, B, and we're looking for 5 waves here to complete for our B wave or our wave 2. I have 2 counts on the go here, both to the downside. If you want to see my larger view, I suggest watching a couple of my other videos, but this is just a micro view to give an update on this. So currently in the short, stop is at the high over here of this proposed wave 1 or wave A, and we're targeting all the way down to our 1-to-1 here on linear scale, which is 21,500. I will lower my stops as this starts to fill out, and I'll keep you guys updated on how and why I do that. Usually just to move my stops to areas where Elliott wave counts would become invalidated. So on this last wave C here, expecting 5 waves up. We've got our 1, 2. Looks like our 3 is here, working on our 4th and looking for a 5th wave up. This looked like our 3rd. We then got bearish divergence with a slightly newer high, so that's most likely our 3rd. And we're working on a flat here for our 4th. And we should get one more up. If it does just collapse here, and this is a 1-2, 1-2, as you can see very up close here, if this is a 1-2, 1-2 and we just collapse, I have about 50% of my entry already. If it does that, this would just be relabeled as a WXY, which is a ABC, ABC. So top potentially in, we came to the fib areas we'd expect between the 1.236 and the 1.382 extensions of this first wave off the B wave. So we came right into the area we'd expect. If we do come higher, we'd expect to hit the 1.618 as our next target. They're at 26,668. But we'll see what we get. Right now we are live to the downside, trying to finish up this bottoming pattern in either five waves or a double zigzag, as you can see, down to 21,500. Looking for 5 waves down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or an ABC X ABC for our Y wave. So that's our 2 main counts. And one other thing to always consider, I just want to make sure you guys have this in the back of your head, and that is, say we come up for this 5th, we then correct sideways, we then go higher. What does that mean? It can mean two things. It can mean this was somehow our bottom with a truncation where we didn't make a new low. Again, unprobable. We should always go to the probable view. Our trades are going to be the best that way. Or it would mean that this is an A wave. This would turn into a zigzag B wave, and then we'd come up for a C before coming lower. Not trying to confuse you guys, but just understand when these things happen, it usually means this correction is not yet complete. And our wave has to get moved over, and it's just getting bigger. But as of right now, it appears we have 5 waves down. We are in our trend line. We don't expect to break it. So everything is pointing to the downside currently. So we go with the most probable wave counts available. It doesn't mean we're always correct, but it means we're going to have probabilities on our side when we take our trades. That's why we trade the way we do. Alright guys, I have other updates on my channel. I put a playlist at the end of this video of all my latest updates in order. Feel free to click that if you want to see other opportunities. Please leave a like, and thanks for watching.